Greetings and welcome back to another fragrance video and another fragrance review. And as you can see by the title, today we will be talking about one of the most popular fragrances from the house of Viktor and Rolf, their Spicebomb Extreme fragrance. Namely, is it worth it in 2022? But before we talk about the notes of the fragrance, longevity, projection, etc., let's take a quick look at the packaging first, as we always do in these reviews. So the fragrance comes in a silver cardboard box with an orange stripe going down the middle of it. On the front of the box, it says Spicebomb Viktor and Rolf Extreme, and at the bottom it says the concentration of the fragrance. So this is an eau de parfum or EDP concentration, and the size is 90 milliliters or 3.4 fluid ounces. On the sides we don't really have anything, and at the back we have the ingredients, warnings, address, email address, website, etc. On the bottom of the box we get the batch code, and at the top we have the Viktor and Rolf logo. And as we open the box we get this Viktor and Rolf Secret Service code. I typed it in, nothing happened. I don't know, maybe you collect multiple of these and you get a freebie or something. Maybe somebody has already done that, so leave your comment in this video if you've managed to get something by typing in all these codes. And finally, we are greeted with this glass bottle of the fragrance itself. The design is very obvious. It is designed as a hand grenade because this is a spice bomb, so bomb grenade. It's completely black except for the orange stripe, again going down the middle as is on the box, and it says Spicebomb Viktor and Rolf Extreme. The sprayer is also black, but preventing you from spraying it is this pin. The pin is looking like a center pin for any hand grenade, but it is in the shape of the Viktor and Rolf logo, and when we remove the pin we can actually use the sprayer, and the sprayer is very good in my opinion. You get a lot of fragrance per spray. Overall, I'm not really into the design of this bottle too much. I think it's a bit too much on the nose, at least for my taste, but the design of the bottle is not very important. What is important is what's inside the bottle, the fragrance itself. So let's talk about the notes of the fragrance that are officially listed. The notes are the notes of vanilla, tobacco, lavender, black pepper, and caraway. Now, longevity and projection on my skin are absolutely amazing. On my skin, this is an easy 10-hour plus fragrance. No problems there whatsoever. With regards to the projection, it projects like a beast. Projection is over 2 meters in the first couple of hours, and after that it becomes slowly a skin scent. So this makes a wonderful scent bubble around you after you apply this fragrance. And of course, this also has a very beautiful scent trail, so you have a very good sillage with this fragrance. Of course, with regards to the seasons when I recommend you to wear this fragrance, this is definitely a cold season fragrance based on the way the fragrance smells. So for the colder days of fall and for winter, this fragrance is perfect. Please don't wear this in spring or definitely summer. I don't think people would like you if you wear this in the summer. Age range, when I would suggest you to wear this, well, this is an 18 plus fragrance for me. Why? I think if you're in high school or younger, this might be a bit too strong, a bit too mature for you. I don't think your classmates would appreciate it if you put this fragrance on, at least in a small high school classroom, so maybe 18 plus for this fragrance. And occasions when I wear this, again, it's very strong. It's not something that is very suitable for the office or formal occasions. Maybe if you just put one spray on a formal occasion, but that's it. This is more for a date night with your girlfriend or whatever, or maybe for a casual occasion, going out with your friends, or maybe going out to a nightclub or to a concert. But yeah, definitely not for formal occasions in my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it regarding the, let's say, basic specifications of the fragrance. I also just want to mention the noses behind this one. This fragrance was made by Carlos Benjamin and Jean-Christophe Herol, and I gotta say, good job guys, you really made something very good with this fragrance, in my opinion. Now, it's time to talk about how the fragrance actually smells, at least to my nose. Well, fragrance opens up actually surprisingly fresh. When you first spray this fragrance, it has a fresh smell, probably coming from the lavender. Of course, we also get some spice from the caraway and black pepper, but lavender is most dominant, with the caraway and black pepper giving it a spicy backbone. And of course, as the fragrance develops, somewhere around the 30-minute mark, I think, I can start to slowly pick up the beautiful sweet vanilla. So this fragrance goes from a more fresh, spicy fragrance to a more sweet fragrance from the vanilla, and it's a beautiful, sweet, warm, very inviting smell, at least for me. And finally, later on, as we approach the dry down, we also get some tobacco joining the vanilla, and it's such a sweet, spicy, warm, inviting, relaxing fragrance. It's really a perfect wintertime fragrance. Jeremy Fragrance described this fragrance as you next to a fireplace, wearing a sweater, eating some cinnamon cookies, and I think he got the vibe of this very, very accurately. Overall, yes, this is a fragrance that will garner you a lot of compliments. This is a mass appealing fragrance, again, when you wear this in the right season. Even my girlfriend likes this one very much. It's one of her favorite fragrances from my collection. I mean, she still likes Dior Sauvage the best, but I think this is very close to Dior Sauvage, and not just for her, for most people that have smelled this, they say that they like this one very much. I think if you're looking for compliments, this is a no-brainer for winter. You will definitely get some. So we come to the question, is this fragrance still worth it in 2022? You have some new releases from Armani with their stronger line, you have some more Dior Homme fragrances, there's the Dior Sauvage Elixir, some new Paco Rabannes, etc. In my opinion, yes, I still think this is worth it. I still think this is one of the best designer fragrances for the colder seasons. The smell is beautiful. It's blended very well. The quality of the ingredients is very good. This is very close to a niche quality fragrance, again, in my opinion. So yes, I would say this fragrance is 100% still worth it in 2022, and I think you cannot make a mistake if you buy it. Now, if you disagree, or if you have any alternatives to this one, please leave them in the comments of this video. I'm very curious to see what alternatives would you suggest to Spicebomb Extreme. It is, of course, my favorite flanker of the line. I've tried more or less all of them, but I still think the Extreme version is the best out of them all. So yeah, that's pretty much it with regards to this video. Of course, if you like this video, as always, leave a thumbs up, and if you dislike the video, leave a thumbs down, and maybe give me some suggestions on how I can improve my content. Subscribe if you want to see more fragrance or wristwatch related videos, and until next time, guys, have a great day, and bye.